When you think of the desert, you probably imagine scorching temperatures, tons of sand, and not much else. And yet, life somehow persists in this inhospitable environment. In fact, one plant stands out as a true champion of survival, the cactus. In today's episode, we're going to find out how nature's toughest plant survives in the harshest environments on Earth. Welcome to my channel. Cacti are well known for their ability to survive in the desert, but they can also be found in other dry and semi-arid regions around the world. The word cactus comes from the Greek word cactos, which means prickly or thorny. I think this is fitting as most cacti are covered in sharp spines that protect them from being eaten by animals. But these spines serve another important function too. They help the plants conserve water. See, the spines of cacti are actually modified leaves. And by reducing the surface area of the plant, they decrease the amount of water lost through transpiration. The water that cacti do lose can, in some species, be recovered by a process called guttation. Many plants lose water through tiny holes on their leaves called stomata. But the stomata are also how plants take in carbon dioxide, which they need to make food. Cacti have stomata too, but they keep them open only at night when it's cooler to prevent water loss. Instead of producing sugars during the day like most plants, cacti produce energy-rich compounds called CAM compounds, which allow them to survive without water for long periods of time. But while spines and CAM compounds are helpful for survival, it's a cactus's shape that really makes it suited for life in the desert. You've probably seen the classic barrel cactus with its round body and flat top. This shape is perfect for dealing with the hot desert sun. By absorbing and reflecting light from all sides, the cactus doesn't heat up as quickly as a plant with a different shape. And if it does start to overheat, it can reduce its temperature by shedding its skin. Some cacti have also evolved to take advantage of the cold desert nights. These cacti grow shallow roots that allow them to absorb water quickly when it rains. And then they store the water in their stems for use during the rest of the year. This is why cacti are often called nature's sponges. Now let's talk about those spines again. Not all cacti have the sharp spines you might be imagining, but the ones that do have them, got them for defense. Spines help protect cacti from hungry animals, who might want to eat their juicy insides. Some spines are even barbed so that animals get tangled up in them and can't get free. And some spines are hooked so that they pull the animal's fur or feathers out. Animals soon learn to avoid the prickly pear altogether, and even those that don't mind getting a few pricks for a tasty meal will have to wait until nightfall before trying to feast on a cactus. That's because spines reflect light more than unspiny skin, making it easy for an animal to spot a cactus during the day. And there's one more thing that helps keep cacti safe from nocturnal predators: fluorescence. That's right. Under ultraviolet light, many cacti glow bright pink, orange, or yellow. To us, this color can be invisible, but to insects, it acts as a warning to stay away. It may seem like there's nothing more inhospitable than the desert, but thanks to their clever adaptations, cacti not only survive in these harsh conditions, they thrive. So, did you learn nothing? If so, share this episode with your friends. Remember, there's no place like home for the holidays. All of our winter break episodes are airing now. Check them out before it's too late.